Hi, it's Marcy. This is a behind the scenes of my craft area, which I am in desperate need of reorganizing or at least straightening it up. So I thought I would let you see that before. This is a little cupboard. It's the front door of the house back there. You come in. This used to be the living room. We don't have a living room now. We have a craft area. That's okay. And I have these things hanging on the back of the little cupboard, and I've covered it with music papers. One of my cards over here. My little desk. This is my actual my crafting area. It's where I do my little paper crafts and painting and stuff too. Because see, we have here. This is a what do you call it? It's a craft mat. It's non-stick. It's well, what do you call it? Not vinyl. Well, it's like the baking sheets you put in the oven, and this is actually attached. I was disappointed about that. I wanted it to be able to come off, but that's okay. So that if I do wet things, nothing gets. This is my computer area. On the right over here. Excuse me, I'm getting a little cold, I think. That is my graphics tablet. And then just, stuff. Pretty. I like it to be pretty. And then underneath down there is stuff that's already printed that I need to use up. And some of my big planners. These drawers here, I can't really do that much with them. The bottom drawer is for like paid bills and stuff like that. The top drawer is for things that I have to have handy, like webcam and paper or whatever. This is my little sewing area. I have two sewing machines now. This one is a an expensive one that I ended up buying because my really good one, I was using it to sew on paper and everything, and it got all gummed up on the inside. So I bought this one that has a different kind. This is the old. Let's see if I can show you. How does it open? I don't even remember. It doesn't have the bobbin here, right underneath. It has the bobbin down and it's turned this way, so stuff doesn't get all jammed up. I don't know how to explain it. And that is my good sewing machine, expensive one. And I have to figure out now, because I had this little desk here, it has wheels on the back of it. You can move it around easily. And so I had to figure out what to do with the one I'm not using. You see, I have a very small space. This big cupboard, a little cupboard in the back there, squashed in there. It has the router, the modem or whatever on top there. And then there's my art cart. And this is all, those bins are all fabrics, pieces, scraps, and whatever. And then my sewing thing, which fills up in stuffed, sewing, ironing, and stuff to iron. I put my office chair there. That's the door to the hallway because I wanted to be able to show you my desk. Sorry about the, just swooping around with the camera. I hope that you're not getting seasick. And then on top of up there on top of the cupboard, I have boxes that I can put stuff in. And some of my laces and trims here. And some are here. And of course, as you saw in a recent video, my samples are here. So I don't have to go digging and searching every time I need a piece of lace. Okay? And I have my microphone and my hand, because I also do podcasting and web radio. Oh, and over here is hidden is my my silhouette cutting machine, and there's just a bunch of junk on the floor that needs to be put away. I have tons and tons of books. I have some in the cupboard too, in the bottom of the cupboard. I need to, I guess, give some away. I have lots of books in Italian. If anyone, I live in Italy, so if you want a free book in Italian to use up the pages, let me know. But you would have to pay the postage. So, I mean, I'll be happy to give you a book if you want one, but you got to pay the postage. Because I just have too many. I need to downsize. So you see all those books up there? Those are books to use, book pages. And on my cart here, I have, you know, like when I tear up a book. This is from I recently made the Gothic journal for my granddaughter. These are the pages I tore out of it. And, oh, you know what? A really cool thing you can use when you have to tear out books and you don't know what else to do with them? Make a palette. It's a paper palette for when I'm painting and I just clean up my brush, or when I'm doing jelly plate stuff. The paper is it's just, you know, and then you throw them away. So please, ideas, and as I make progress, I will post videos. But this is behind the scenes. Only subscribers are going to see this. At least I hope so. I don't want the whole world to see this. This is a mess. You know, some parts are really cute. It's the shabby. I like the shabby chic. Oh, and you may be asking yourself, why do I have my perfumes here? It's because if I spray perfumes in the bedroom, my husband sleeps during the day, and so I can't spray perfume in the bedroom, because then it bothers him when he can't sleep, and there's all this strong perfume. So I keep my perfumes here on my desk. So when I want to spray perfume, it doesn't stink up the whole bedroom. Okay. Ciao for now.